Welcome to Steampunk Tuesday. I'm Ian and Mike's behind the camera, so he can't say hello because the camera will wobble. He's giggling anyway. I have a show and tell for you today. Christmas is obviously coming and I have a special commission I've built for a friend stroke customer and I'm dying to show it you, so let's get the camera turned around and we'll have a chat. Okay, so this is the machine that I've built. It is a personal time collector, as I said before. I'll just turn it on. It's got a clock on the front of it, an ordinary clock by the look of it, but it actually stores the time. Only time for you though, so whoever owns the clock looks into the eye and the eye recognises them and recognises their ocular pattern and stores it in the device up there. So the only person that can save time is the person who's paired to the clock. So basically 24 hours in a day normally. This device will give you 5 extra hours in a day. Best not go any further than that, because if you go longer than the 5 extra hours you could get lost in time and that's never good. So the time is sucked into here and it is split. You can see the minutes and the seconds there flashing. It pulls them apart and it stores them in the container at the other side. The green light means that it's running and the red light means that it's got time stored in it already. So the person who owns the clock can store their extra time and use it how they wish. Okay, so the lights are on and we'll turn the lights out in the room and you'll get the real effect of this. It looks stunning. It's got red leatherette on it and lots of lovely copper work. So we've now got all the lights on and it's pitch black in here. It's great, you can see the eye staring at you. You've got the flasher on top which gives you all the different colours of the spectrum, so that's looking to make sure that the right person is looking into the device to store time. We have the green light which is flashing to say it's running, and we've got the red light that says time is stored in the container. But I think the prettiest one and the most stunning piece is this one, which is the hours, minutes and seconds flashing and then being pulled apart by the tubes there and stored. So you've seen the front, you've seen it lit up in the dark, so let's just move it. It's very heavy. It has got a solid steel block in it that's about 3 inches across to counterbalance the weight of the clock on the front, so you can listen to it and you can hear it. So we go round and you've got the leatherette on the back. There's a little dial on top that says outside pressure. It really is a meaty piece, this. I hope Santa's going to be really careful when it goes down the chimney. There we are. See all the solid brass work. That's called a Munson ring. It's for putting central heating pipes in and things like that. But it's perfect on here with this lit up on the side. Oh. And from the top, you've got the outside pressure and the little toggle switch, which I put on everything that I make. As I say, it's very heavy, so please Santa be careful, because I don't want an unhappy friend stroke customer on Christmas Day. So thank you for watching this. It's a quick show and tell. It gives you an idea of what I make and what I can make. If you ever want anything making, just drop me a line. Thanks for watching. That's all from me for now. I can't go through the please subscribe bit because I can never ever remember it. You get the idea. Thanks for watching. If I don't see you before, have a smashing Christmas. Bye for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.